Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about a very important problem, prostate gland. Prostate gland is the problem which most of the men face around the age of 50 years. When there is enlargement of the prostate gland, the urine flow is not proper and sometimes it comes drip by drip, and when the urine flow is not proper, there is the problem and a high chances of UTI, that is urinary tract infection. Secondly, if the urine flow is not proper, the toxins get accumulated in the body which cause more problems for a person. Even one can face kidney issues due to this problem. I am sharing a very important protocol which is by Sujok, and it has helped many people. Even the two simple points have made the person feel better 80% in one treatment. So why you can share this treatment with your near and dear ones. To locate the prostate glands, just from the starting of both the fingers over here, this is one and this is the other one. These 2 points are the very effective points for the prostate gland. Just press these points. The person having the prostate gland will have a lot of pain on these points. Press the points, stimulate these 2 points properly, and we can apply moong dal on this point. I will show you how we can apply the seeds. Take this paper tape which is easily available in the market, the medical shops. On a piece of paper tape, apply a single piece of moong dal like this. We need 2 pieces. So now we need to apply it on these 2 points. Stimulate this point and press it properly, applying the tape. After applying these 2 points, you can put another piece of tape so that the seeds are there properly. You need to leave these seeds at least for 6 to 8 hours, or you can even apply it overnight. We have to use fresh seeds every time. One more point can be added. You can add one more point just above this line over here. This point is CV4. People who are not aware of the point, doesn't matter. You just stimulate this portion and you can apply cluster magnet, or you can apply few seeds over here in this area so that these point is stimulated nicely. I will show you how you can make a cluster magnet in your house with the black pepper. So you can take a broad tape like this. On this, apply 5 seeds like this. You can apply any seed, either moong dal or black pepper, or if it is not available, You can also put methi seeds. So make a cluster magnet like this and apply it on this point like this. Press it properly and leave this seeds overnight or 6 to 8 hours. You can even stimulate these points and leave. Friends, I am sharing all useful information with you all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Smile thanks, Life Designer Taranpreet Kaur.